Good morning and good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the icoone Scientific Talk organized by iTech Industries. I am Dr. Maria Angela Paladino, head of the Scientific Department at iTech Industries. For many years, iTech Industries has been gathering experience in the use of RoboDerm technology at different international levels. So we strongly believe in the power of sharing between experts and professionals their experience, their scientific studies and researches. Thanks to this in-depth work, we periodically provide our customer with new and innovative protocols in order to achieve the best icoone results. In today's scientific talk, we have the great pleasure to have here a great speaker, Dr. Maria Tryfonova. She is from Kiev, Ukraine. She is a doctor in dermatology and endocrinology, and she is using 2 icoone LaserMed devices in her clinic. Before starting, we would like to share with you a video about her clinic in the use of icoone LaserMed. Enjoy the vision. Very nice video, and now it's the moment to call here Dr. Maria Tryfonova.
Hello, my dear friends.
Hello, my dear. It's really a pleasure to have you here for the first time. So it's really a pleasure. Thank you for that.
Yes,
thank you very much. Before starting, I'd like to provide our attendees with some information about the presentation. So the title of the talk of today is icoone LaserMed, New Opportunities and Results for Plastic Surgery and Aesthetic Medicine Clinic. During the lecture, the attendees will have the opportunity to write their questions in English in the Q&A section. And after the presentation, 10 minutes will be dedicated to the questions and answers. We will do our best in order to reply to all the questions. In any case, we will reply to the other questions by email. Now it's your moment. Thank you very much and enjoy.
Good evening, my dear friends. We start to work with this amazing technology 3 years ago, and I want to show you what different interesting things we can do with this amazing machine. At my presentation, we talk about my clinic. So I will show you everything, what we can do in our big clinic. So my clinic is 600 meters, so it's really big. We have surgery, we have waiting rooms for the patient, and we have a lot of rooms for cosmetology treatments. Now we have 64 machines in my clinic, and this is my doctor, my specialist. You see a second photo that work with this amazing machine. So I start work with first icoone, first technology in my life. It was icoone in 2018. Then we changed this machine for new one in 2020. So now I have 2 machines, and it's this new generation of icoone LaserMed. When we start, we really don't understand the meaning of this real technology, because it's really exciting, it's amazing, and really works still very good and impressive. I want to say that all my specialists are fully booked for this amazing procedure. So now we do on our 2 machines 22-24 procedures per day. So it's really popular in Ukraine. And I want to add the new generation change the meaning of icoone in my country. First of all, the active surface of microstimulators has been increased thanks to the enlargement of the hole's diameter. So it becomes really bigger. So the treatments really becomes more stronger and more intensive. And it makes that plus 25% increase the active stimulation surface. Now we have RoboTwins, RoboMicro, and RoboMini. I want to explain you the difference of these interesting handpieces. So RoboTwins is a really amazing treatment handpiece because it's only device that offers a double treatment handpiece system to deliver symmetric stimulation, twice fast and effective as a single operated handpiece. So now specialists work more intensive because no any machine in the world has this effective symmetric stimulation. And RoboTwins makes 21,600 microstimulations every minute. So it's really amazing massage. It really very strong, effective, but really relaxation. So we start work with RoboTwins like 20-30 minutes. It depends of the quality of the tissue of our patient. Second one is RoboSola. I want to add it's really medical amazing handpiece. icoone LaserMed combines the microstimulations delivered by independent motorized microstimulators with the action of laser and LED energy. We use a lot of lasers in my clinic, and also we're very happy to use LED energy devices for the face of the body. But really, just one icoone LaserMed in all over the world, trust me, please, has this amazing opportunities. So RoboSola included laser and LED in one time. So through the touch screen display, it is possible to select whether to use only the LED, like 659 nanometers for rejuvenation, for anti-aging effect, or only the laser 915 nanometers, combination of both of them. So it's really amazing handpiece that we use after RoboTwins. We can use it 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It also depends on the problems that your specialist will choose for the patient. And the last one is the RoboMini Twins. It's the smallest motorized handpieces, really small. They are very delicate, and now they're available also in twin function. It's very important because especially designed to be used on the small areas. For example, it's knees, ankles, décolleté, breast. So it's really the most relaxed part of this procedure. And RoboMini Twins you can use for special medical procedures. So it's very important that we can use both of them in one procedure. And also just icoone LaserMed give you this opportunity to use these handpieces together in one time. And the last one is RoboMicro. We use it just for the face. So not so many machines that we use for body, we can use for the face. And you know really this very good. So icoone give you this amazing face treatment, RoboMicro, and your patient will never forget this treatment because it's 6 micro handpieces specifically designed to reach with the pressure the smallest and the sensitive areas. So it's for eyes, for the chin, even for the neck, and very sensitive and relaxed procedure. And you can use it after or before surgery. It's very important. And also you can combine with other technologies that you have in your clinic. So it's very important to start all procedures from icoone LaserMed before you will start your aggressive treatments, for example, for the face or the body. So I want to tell you what procedures we can do combined with icoone. We have really amazing results because all of our patients, maybe you know that Ukraine are crazy on their body and face as they want to see very effective results on their faces and bodies in very short time. So icoone is the must-have of my clinic. When the patient come to my clinic, we start to treat the body of the face from icoone to prepare their body to other aggressive procedures. And then we can make very very delicious, very effective rehabilitation after this aggressive procedure. So the first patient is really young girl. She is 25 years old. So we make for her face surgery endoscopy to make eyebrow lift like this upper third. So before we make preparation protocol, a special protocol that lasts just 20 minutes. It was number of sessions just 5. We do just 2 sessions in a week to prepare her face before this difficult surgery endoscopy. And the rehabilitation protocol included just 10 procedures, 3 sessions in a week. So you can see how it changed her face. It becomes smaller. She haven't any bruising, and really she have amazing effect. Even she is young. So we can use icoone for the young woman if they want to change or to prepare their faces before their surgery. So we see that it's very fast recovery and no side effects. And other photo. So next one is a woman 45 years old. She was not happy about double chin, but she don't want to make any liposuction or even any surgery. So we choose for her cryolipolysis. If you know, it's a very difficult procedure. We use very low temperature to work with the fat. So when we use a cryo for the double chin, it's very important after procedure to make a special massage. All companies advise to us to make some massage by the hands of the patient, but it's not so effective. So we choose every time after cryo. Even we do cryo on the face or a body, we use icoone LaserMed protocol for the face, for example, like in this case, from second day. So rehabilitation was just 10 procedures. We make 3 procedures in a week, and we see amazing improvement because we saw that even not, we see that fat becomes smaller in this part, but you see how it's amazing change her skin. So the skin laxity becomes really better. So she is very happy with this result, and she's still going for this procedure every 2 weeks, all the year. So your patients will be very happy about the results if you will start work with their faces. Second one is more older woman. She's 56 years old. We also choose for her cryolipolysis because she don't want to make any surgery. So we make just 1 procedure of cryo, and then from second day we start rehabilitation procedures. And you see that we do just 10 procedures 3 times in a week. Is the best protocol. The protocol was just 20 minutes, and also it's very important that it's not painful. She has amazing improvement, and we see how amazing her skin becomes, and we see how the skin became a good quality. So we really changed the face of this woman, and she is very happy. So for these patients, we advise to make the same procedures every 2 weeks, all the year, because it's very important to take care of their faces. Second one is the woman. She is 35 years old. She also wants to change her eyes, so we choose surgery endoscopy of the upper third. And the preparation protocol for young women was just 5 sessions. We start to do lymphodrainage just for 20 minutes. And after surgery, we use protocol of 10 sessions. We do 2 sessions in a week. You see no side effects, no bruising, no edema, and really she is happy. And we see very fast recovery. For example, if a patient comes to us from the other city, and in this city they haven't icoone LaserMed, I want to add that all these patients have very long recovery period, like 2-3 months. With icoone, this period becomes more shorter, like 1 month, maybe sometimes 5-6 weeks. So they really see effect. So it's very important to explain how it's important to use icoone LaserMed before and after surgery, even for young men, young women. Also, the same photo you see as the position Also, as a position, you see double chin is really becomes the zone is amazing. She's very happy because we do very good protocol before and after surgery. Also, the same photo, you see, she become really young and not like 35 years old. And for men, I want to talk about men because also the most important part of our men is really eyes and lower third. A lot of men come to us to ask about the zone because it's very important to treat double chin. So in this case, we use classic liposuction of lower third and upper blepharoplasty. So we don't do classic surgery, we just do liposuction. And it's very important to work with the quality of the skin to start producing new collagen, elastin. So it's very important to do this procedure before and after surgery. So number of sessions after surgery was just 6. We do 2 sessions per week, and this effect you will see just in after 6 sessions. After liposuction on the face, we can do icoone LaserMed just on 3rd days, so your patients will recover very fast and no downtime. So they will be really very happy. Now we will talk about the body. Women 52 years old. Knee is very important zone of our movement. So we start to use polylactic acid. And after this injection, I'm sure you know we need to do a special massage. It can be massaged by the hands, but it's more effective to do massage with the icoone LaserMed. So after 3rd day, we start to do rehabilitation procedures with the icoone LaserMed. So we do 12 sessions, 2 sessions per week. Now she has amazing quality of the skin. You see how it's changed, and even the color is changed after injection and 12 procedures of icoone LaserMed. And the effect will be with this patient for a long time, but we need to add that it's very important to make also some procedures, like 2 procedures, 3 procedures in the month to produce new collagen after the course of icoone LaserMed. So we invite this patient now every 2 weeks. And now it is we have really very good, amazing result to work with the knees. It's very important. And now we talk about this belly fat. It's a woman after childbirth. She's just 40 years old. She really has a problem with the diastasis. So she don't want to do any classic or difficult surgery like liposuction, abdominoplasty. We choose just to work with diastasis. It was very small surgery. And after the surgery, we make 16 sessions icoone LaserMed 3 times in a week. You see how is it changed? Changed the quality of the skin, volume. We see how amazing the skin becomes. Even a zone of the hips, we also work, and you see she becomes really better. And now we think to do as a course of icoone LaserMed, like 10 procedures. So she's very happy, and we now start to use this machine on the zone of her hands. So I will show you as an amazing result after these procedures. But it's very important to explain your patient how it's important to start to work with icoone before and after surgery. So all patients can do these procedures even all over the year. We mix a lot of different technology in my clinic. It's just not a surgery, it's also other machines. But every time we start with special medical protocols of icoone LaserMed for our patient. And you know that we have a lot of machines, but just icoone we have in 2 variants. So we have 2 machines of icoone. It means it is the most popular machine in my clinic. And also I'm so happy and I'm proud that my plastic surgery understands the meaning of medical point and medical point of the medical icoone LaserMed protocols. So we can combine these protocols together, and we really have amazing result before and after surgery. The most important part for our women really becomes a boot lift, Botox. It started popular, I think, 2 years ago, and a lot of calls and a lot of patients come to us. They want to change this zone. So this is young woman. She's just 34 years old. She wants to change the quality of the skin and also to remodeling the zone of Botox. We start to make this procedure. We use oven fat, and then we start to make after procedure protocol, rehabilitation protocol. But before we take your oven fat, it's very important to prepare your skin before do this small liposuction and put your fat into the Botox. So we make icoone preparation protocol, just 5 sessions, 2 times in a week. Then we make small liposuction, put her oven fat in her Botox, and then we start a special medical protocol, just 10 sessions of icoone LaserMed, 2-3 times in a week. You see, even not just Botox changes, the quality of the skin, and you see the cellulitis go out. She is really happy, and she has amazing improvement. Also, she changed her size from 40 to 36, so she's really happy. So if you want to remodulate the quality of the body of the patient, please start with icoone before aggressive procedures. And the second one, Botox. I hope that in Europe and all over the world, it's also popular like in Ukraine, because it's really very important part of our body for our patient. So she is just 37 years old. The same question about Botox. She wants to change the quality of the skin, to treat cellulite, and also to change the form of her Botox. So we start from preparation protocol because we need to prepare the zone before this aggressive surgery. We work just with 5 sessions of icoone LaserMed 2 times in a week. Then we take her fat, put to this zone of the Botox, and start to make rehabilitation protocol. You see how amazing improvement of the skin she has. So she's really happy because from starting point to finish point, really her Botox really changed a lot. Now for this patient, we advise to make the same protocols like 1 time in 2 weeks all over the year, because it's very important not also to take care of the form of Botox, but also the quality of the skin. It's very important. And also I want to add that we have special protocols for this zone. So our patients are really happy because it is not painful, it's a relaxed procedure, and it just starts from 40 minutes till 60 minutes. So it's really fast. And it really don't take a lot of time, just 6, 10, sometimes 12 procedure after surgery. I also want to talk about the advantages of icoone LaserMed. So icoone LaserMed is the essential medical device in the clinic of aesthetic surgeons, since it can be used alone, but also with support to other procedures, specifically during the preparation phase and during the rehabilitation process. So it's really important machine. In the preparation of the tissue before more invasive procedure, it is used to prevent side effects, and after the procedure, to improve the healing process. The rehabilitation applications can be applied a few days after surgery with subsequent faster recovery and better results. So use icoone LaserMed for purely medical applications such as post-surgery, where the skin is directly stimulated without using intermediates such as gels, oils, and creams. So it's very important because any other machines all over the world, they need or cream or gel or some special oils or serums. So with icoone LaserMed, you can start work immediately. It's very important. Possibility to adjust the parameters in relation to the quality of the skin tissue in order to offer a stimulation that is always painless and pleasant, but at the same time performing and really very effective. Symmetrical work with the two handpieces in order to stimulate two areas of the body at the same time. Really, it's a very unique possibility, and really we haven't in Ukraine all over the world as a machine can do the same treatment with one specialist but two zones in one time immediately. It's very important. So all our patients really see not just good results, but really amazing relaxed procedure. It's very important because our patient must be very happy and to see really good results after procedure. As for me, I prefer do this procedure, icoone LaserMed, for my body every 2 weeks all over the year. So I'm so happy because you can do it in sunny countries or in cold countries. It's very important because it's really must-have of your clinic. And I want to say thank you that you spent this time with me, and I hope my results was really impressed, and I hope to hear your questions.
Really, really thanks, Maria. Very congratulations for your clinic, for your great results, and for sharing your experience with us, of course. It was really a pleasure. And in fact, there are some questions for you. And
Okay.
one question is, I'm reading that and we will reply. How is the feeling of the patients during the icoone stimulation is one of the questions.
Yes, of course. That I talk, it's really painless procedures, very relaxed, and people are really happy and satisfied with icoone because it's really effective procedure. So they don't feel any pain. It's very important. Also, we can change the parameters because of the quality of the skin. So it's very important. We can choose program and parameters.
Yeah, great. In fact, thank you for your feedback about that. And what we can say is that is a beautiful wellness experience. So at the end, beautiful results in terms of aesthetic results and a wellness experience. And it's really important, especially if we are approaching patients like post-surgery after a trauma. So thank you for your feedback. And the next question is, what's the feedback of your patients after the icoone treatments?
All my patients are very happy and satisfied with icoone because they can appreciate incredible results. But it's very important at the same time the treatment is also relaxing. So a lot of women and men that comes to us, they just sleep on procedures. So it's very important.
Yeah, great, sure. And the next question, okay, so which benefits did you observe by treating the patients with icoone before the surgery? So they are interested in the preparation because, in fact, it's a really, really good point because anytime we are listening about rehabilitation, but it's not so common to speak about the preparation with icoone. So please let us know.
So what I say during my presentation, I want to add the preparation of the tissue with icoone is that applying it before, there are less to absence the side effects like bruising or edema or some or other benefits. So it's very important to use icoone LaserMed before aggressive procedures like, for example, liposuction or abdominoplasty. So it's very important to prepare tissue for the surgery. And then after surgery, we can use also in very short time. So for our patient, we explain this process because icoone is recovery, regeneration, anti-aging. So we start from icoone, all our procedures, and then we do all aggressive procedures.
Yeah, in fact, regarding the preparation, we can appreciate really the good work when we can see the post-surgery, because we cannot see a lot of edema, hematoma, abuses, and it's the point. So thank you for sharing with us your experience and to give us another important point of view. And the other question is about the combination, because you showed a lot of results about the combination, and this attendee is asking, are you using icoone always in combination with other applications or also as a single treatment?
Yes, of course, we use a lot of in combination, but we have patients just really great fans of icoone LaserMed. So they just use even one icoone for their body or the face, and they have very good results and very happy. So we can see amazing results even after 6-10 procedures. So you need just try to do this procedure and you will love it like me all the time.
Great. So thank you very much for your sharing, and thank you to be
Thank you.
here with us for our scientific talk. Really, it was really a pleasure to cooperate with you and to attend to your lecture. It was a great experience also for us.
Thank
And
you.
I would like to close our talk with the next appointment with the icoone Talks. It will take place on the 10th of December, and it will be about the successful business cases with icoone. We will have two other centers who will share with us their experience with icoone. And so see you on the next time. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
Maria
Thank
Tryfonova,
you.
and enjoy and have a nice evening. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.